It's Clementine sprinkle cake. How good does that sound? So I started with a confetti cake mix, and I added a cup of water, 3 eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil. I can't see anymore, it's really bad. And then I juiced enough clementines to get about 1/4 cup of juice. And I'm just gonna use half of the juice in the cake mix, and I'm gonna save the other half for the frosting. And then the zest from the clementines. And then I will just whisk all this together and try not to eat the batter because I know it's gonna be really tasty. So I have 2 round cake pans, and I'm gonna pour half of the batter in each pan. I really love cake mix based cakes these days. There might have been a time in my life when I wouldn't say I judged the use of cake mixes, but I kind of thought they were a little bit of a cop-out at one time in my life. Not anymore. I think they're wonderful, and especially if you doctor them up with sort of elevated ingredients. Enter the clementines. I think they can be really, really special. Okay, let's go to the oven, Alex.
How long are we baking?
We be baking the cakes at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Cooking is a journey. Okay, so the cake is out of the oven and it's been cooling on a wire rack. And I have been mixing together 3 sticks of butter with 6 cups of powdered sugar. I'm gonna add the rest of the yummy clementine juice and the rest of the zest. And then a little bit of orange food coloring. I'm using gel. We'll add that much and see what the color looks like. I didn't want to turn it bright orange, but since it is clementine, I just wanted to have a little hint of color to the icing. All right, I'm gonna add a little more food coloring, and then I'm gonna mix this together until it's totally perfect. Okay, Alex. Bang. So what do you think?
It looks so good.
It does,
so
look,
orange.
it's fluffy. Well, I stopped short of adding enough orange because I always just take it a little step too far when it comes to food coloring, and I always regret that. Okay, so I'm gonna start with kind of the larger, thicker piece of cake, and always put it face down, at least I do. And then a big old plop of the frosting. Yum, yum, yum. One more plop. I want to be able to see it. I'm going to warn you, I'm going to make a mess today.
What's new?
I mean, seriously, it is. It's been a messy day already. All right, let's spread it out. The little slight orange color just makes it seem so special, doesn't it?
It really does.
Okay, so now the second. And then I like to kind of go around and smush the sides in a little bit. Yum, okay. And then, you know what has to happen? Now I'm gonna put the rest of the icing on and put it all over the tops and sides. All right. I am not a professional cake decorator, but I sure care about the flavor of the cake, and this is going to be so good. So the cake itself has sprinkles in it, so I'm gonna actually cover the top with sprinkles because sprinkles make people happy. Don't you think, Alex?
Mm-hmm.
I love sprinkles. This is my favorite kind too. Okay, actually I'm gonna go a little heavier. Why not? And then, so people know exactly what kind of cake you just made, I'm gonna arrange little clementines. I cut little circles, and then you just kind of let them curl them here and there on top of the cake. You can sort of concentrate them on the center. Aww,
So cute.
so adorable. Well, Clementine sprinkle cake